It's not their looks, it's not how much money they have, it's their mindset. That is the reason why bad boys dominate in a world of weak-minded men. Guys like Joe Rogan, Jocko, not to mention Jeff Bezos, Elon Musk, and even Donald Trump, don't get triggered, right? All these dudes are bad boys in their respective areas. They're not the best looking dudes. They're not the rich. Well, some of them are actually the richest, but they got that way later. But they were always a bad boy. It's their mindset. They do specific things that makes other men succumb to them and other women want to be with them. Today, guys, I'm going to go over a few of the mind tricks bad boys use that you should steal. The first mind trick that bad boys use that you should steal is to be selfish. Bad boys are incredibly selfish. Now, I know that you're probably like, yo, Alpha, my mom told me not to be selfish. Share, and I get it. But bad boys understand that there is nobody that's going to give them anything. If they want something, they got to take it. If they want to be respected, they've got to make sure that they do the things they need to do in order to earn it. Gentlemen, bad boys are selfish, not only in what they want, how they're going to get it, they are selfish in their time. They do not allow other people to dictate what and how and where they go. The second mindset trick that bad boys use that you should steal is act like you've been there before. You've all heard the saying, fake it till you make it. Well, this is something that bad boys do all the time. And the reason why they're so damn successful, not only in business, professionally, but socially as well. This is the reason why they get the spiciest senoritas, right? Most guys like you and me, right? We see somebody super hot and we're like, oh my God, you're super hot. We get nervous. We get embarrassed. We don't want to get actually rejected. And so what do? We're like, oh, I don't know, right? Bad boys are like, yo, I've had better than you twice last week. They're calm, they're cool, they're collected. They don't freak out, right? And this is the reason why bad boys are so incredibly alluring and intoxicating. Bad boys are consistently confident and comfortable in uncomfortable situations. The third mindset trick that you should steal that bad boys use is the willingness to walk away. Guys, so many of us are fearful, right? We're fearful of losing the job, losing the girl, losing whatever we are wanting. But bad boys understand if they're ever going to achieve anything, they've got to be willing to let it go. They've got to be willing to say no, plant a flag in the ground, and walk away. What happens as a result of doing this is the people can feel it. You can sense it. And people do not want to be rejected. People do not want to lose. And so they're going to chase. They're going to approach. Gentlemen, bad boys are willing to walk away. Are you? And if you don't like it, guess what? Bad boys are like, yo, F it, I don't care, which is actually the next mindset trick that's crazy powerful. Not giving a fuck. Bad boys are notorious for not caring. You don't like them? That's all right. There's a book called The Subtle Art of Not Giving an F by Mark Manson. I've talked about it before, and this is a must listen to for each and every one of you. If you are ever expecting to accomplish anything in life, I'm a firm believer. Guys, this book I'm going to link to down below. If you want to grab it, you can actually grab it for free because Audible is today's video sponsor. If you hit that link, audible.com/alpha-m, or text the word alpha-m to 500-500, you can grab 1 month free Audible Premium Plus, but you're also going to get 1 free audiobook. As the reason why this book is so incredibly powerful is that it's going to help you accept your limitations. A lot of times we fear, right? We fear if other people know we're not perfect, and we try to be something that we're not. But when you finally embrace who you are, acknowledge it, this is the point in your life when you're going to be able to move forward, accomplish more, and be more confident. Gentlemen, the truth is there are only so many things in our life that we can give a fuck about. And if you are spending way too much time worrying about the small, insignificant things, you're never going to truly be confident. Guys, hit that link down below. This audiobook is free if you do it. The next mindset trick that bad boys use that you need to steal is the idea and mindset of you can't hurt me. I'm Teflon, bitches, right? Whatever you can do, doesn't matter, because I am me, I am strong, I am going to dominate. Gentlemen, another audiobook, if you haven't checked out, it's called You Can't Hurt Me by David Goggins. David Goggins is a savage. He's also, in my opinion, a little bit insane, but it doesn't matter. This book is so incredibly crazy inspiring. If you're interested in checking out David's book, this is another one that blew my mind. I'm going to link to it down below. Once again, guys, you can grab either of these books for free if you hit that special link down below. Audible has been a huge game changer for me because I will not, won't do it, sit there and read a book. I don't have time and I'm just not interested in doing it. I don't enjoy it, but I love listening. With Audible, it makes it incredible because you can listen, like I said, when you're exercising, in your car, on your PC, when you're at home, just chilling. It's an incredible way for you to consume knowledge without actually sitting there and having to read a book. The way that it works is pretty awesome, right? Every month you get 1 credit on Audible to grab any audiobook you want. It doesn't matter the price. And Audible has a crap ton of selection, huge. They've got bestsellers, they've got celebrity memoirs, they've got thrillers, they've got mysteries, not to mention self-help and motivational audiobooks. But you also get unlimited access to the Audible Plus category. And this is, in my opinion, where the Audible magic happens because they have so much. The podcast that they have is insane. They've even got guided fitness and meditation programs, sleep trackers, but they've got a lot more. Guys, they are always adding new amazing content and you can consume or download or stream as much of that as you want. I'm telling you, if you guys haven't checked out Audible in a while or you never have, guys, now is the time because new members are going to get 30 days totally free. You're also going to get 1 free audiobook. Hit that special link down below, audible.com/alpha M, or text the word alpha M to 500 to get a free 30-day trial to Audible Premium plus 1 free audiobook. The next bad boy mind trick that you should steal is being unapologetically disciplined. So if you are a disciplined individual, whether or not it's your diet, your career, your workouts, people are going to try to get you to break your focus. They're going to try to make you go out and party. They're going to try to make you give up on your dreams or not work right now. It's not a big deal. You can wait. You can rest. You can relax. Bad boys are like, no, I can't because I've got an objective. I've got a goal. I am going to focus because until I reach or achieve what I want, nothing else matters. Bad boys have the ability to not hear and listen to and worry about the peer pressure. Yeah, sure. It would be cool to go hang out with your boys and grab some beers, but bad boys know it's even cooler to achieve greatness, and so they're going to opt for that. The next mindset trick that bad boys use that you should steal is don't ask for permission, ask for forgiveness. And what I mean by this is so often in our lives, we wait for approval. We want to do something, but we got to make sure it's okay with everybody else. Mommy and daddy or Spicy Senorita or buddies, whatever. Bad boys are like, yo, I'm going to do it. I'm going to try it. If it's not okay, I'm sorry, my bad, but they're going to go after what they want. They're not going to wait to make sure that all the I's are dotted, all the T's are crossed. Sometimes you got to be a little crazy, a little reckless. You've got to be willing to push the boundaries of your own comfort zone, not to mention other people's comfort zones. And bad boys are notorious for doing it, gentlemen. You got to be willing to take risks, calculated ones, but risks. The next mindset trick that bad boys use is understanding that relationships are a choice. Bad boys don't need to be with somebody. They choose to be with somebody. They choose their friends. Think about how powerful that is, right? Too often, we get in situations with people that we feel like we need. We freak out. We get upset when somebody doesn't want to be our friend. We are needy, right? Needy people are not powerful people. It's about people that are self-sufficient, people that understand that they are the ones that are bringing value, not only to the world, but the people in it. And the last and probably biggest mindset trick that bad boys use that you should steal is the willingness to fail. Now, failure is one of those things that we run from. We all do, right? We don't want to fail. We don't want to screw things up. Unfortunately, when you live in isolation or you protect yourself from potentially failing, it means that you're not striving. You're not going after what you want. Bad boys understand it's okay to fail. Not only is it okay, it's critical for their development. It's critical for their success, both professionally and socially. Bad boys risk it because they're willing to fail. I need you to understand that, guys, if you want anything in life, you've got to be uncomfortable. You've got to be willing to take chances and risks. Bad boys are notorious for taking big, huge, massive risks. Are you?